Ever wondered what a Universal Credit Entitlement Letter is and why it's important? Stick around as we break it down for you. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps us keep producing helpful content just like this. Today, we're unpacking everything you need to know about the Universal Credit Entitlement Letter. This document is crucial for anyone receiving universal credit in the UK. We'll cover what it is, what information it contains, and why it's so important for your financial welfare. This video will also guide you through how to interpret the various sections of the letter. Understanding these details can help you manage your benefits more effectively. We'll also touch on common issues people face with their entitlement letters and how to resolve them. Lastly, we'll provide tips on what steps to take if the information in your letter seems incorrect. This could be crucial in ensuring you receive the correct benefits you're entitled to. The Universal Credit Entitlement Letter is a document sent to claimants by the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP. It confirms that you are entitled to receive universal credit. This letter contains details about the amount of money you will receive and when you will receive it. The letter serves as an official record of your entitlement and is used for various purposes. For instance, you might need it to apply for housing benefits or support from local councils. It is therefore important to keep this document safe and readily available. Each letter is divided into several sections. The first section typically contains your personal details, such as your name and address. It is vital to check that this information is accurate to avoid any issues with your claims. Following this, the letter outlines your payment schedule. This section tells you when and how much universal credit you will receive each month. Understanding this part is crucial for budgeting and managing your finances. The entitlement letter also details any deductions or additional amounts added to your claim. For example, if you have unpaid loans or childcare costs, these will be reflected here. Knowing how these affect your total benefit amount is essential for financial planning. Another important section of the letter is the responsibilities or commitments you agree to under universal credit. This part outlines what is expected of you to continue receiving your benefits, such as looking for work or attending training sessions. If there are changes in your circumstances, your entitlement letter will be updated. Always ensure that you report changes to the DWP to receive the correct benefit amount. Failure to do so can result in overpayments, which you will need to repay. Discrepancies or errors in the entitlement letter should be addressed immediately. Contact the DWP right away if your letter contains incorrect information or if you do not understand part of it. They can provide clarifications and correct errors. For those new to universal credit, the entitlement letter might seem complicated. Don't hesitate to seek help from local advice services or use online resources to better understand each section of the letter. Remember, the Universal Credit Entitlement Letter is more than just a piece of paper. It is a key tool in managing your benefits and, by extension, your financial health. Keep it in a safe place and refer to it whenever you need clarity about your universal credit payments. If you spot any issues with your letter, acting quickly can prevent future complications. Reach out to the DWP or consult with a benefits advisor to resolve any concerns. Maintaining an up-to-date knowledge of your entitlements and responsibilities is crucial. Regularly reviewing your Universal Credit Entitlement Letter helps ensure that you are receiving the correct benefits and fulfilling your obligations. In summary, the Universal Credit Entitlement Letter is a vital document for managing your benefits. Understanding and using the information it provides can significantly impact your financial stability and well-being. To effectively manage and address issues with your Universal Credit Entitlement Letter, following these practical steps can help ensure that your benefits are processed correctly and promptly. First, always check your personal information for accuracy as soon as you receive your entitlement letter. Errors in details like your name, address, or date of birth can lead to delays in payments or incorrect benefit amount. If you find an error, report it to the DWP immediately. Provide them with the correct information and any evidence needed to support your claim. This proactive approach helps avoid potential complications in receiving your benefits. Keep a record of all communications with the DUP. Whether it's phone calls, emails, or letters, having a detailed record can be invaluable, especially if disputes over payments or entitlements arise. Understand the breakdown of your payments. Your entitlement letter will detail how your universal credit payment is calculated, including any deductions or additional amounts. If something doesn't look right, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. If your circumstances change, update your information with the DWP as soon as possible. Changes in your living situation, income, or household can affect your benefit amount, and timely updates can prevent overpayments or underpayments. Use the online service to manage your claim. The Universal Credit online portal allows you to check your payment schedule, report changes, and maintain your claim efficiently. Familiarize yourself with this tool as it can save a lot of time and hassle. Seek advice if you're unsure. Numerous organizations offer free advice and support to those on Universal Credit. Utilizing these resources can provide additional guidance and help clarify any aspects of your entitlement letter or benefits you are unsure about. Lastly, if you disagree with a decision made by the DWP, you have the right to challenge it. This is known as asking for a mandatory reconsideration. Be sure to follow the correct process and provide necessary evidence to support your challenge. Before we move on to the rest of the video, if you are finding this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment, as it really helps this video reach a wider audience. Here is a case study related to the Universal Credit Entitlement Letter. Sarah, a single mother from Bristol, received her entitlement letter but noticed that it listed incorrect information about her monthly rent contributions, which affected the total benefit amount. Aware of the potential financial shortfall, she promptly gathered her tenancy agreement and recent rent statements as evidence. Sarah contacted the DWP through their helpline and followed up with an email containing scanned copies of her documents. The DWP acknowledged the error and issued a corrected entitlement letter within 2 weeks. By acting swiftly and providing the necessary evidence, Sarah ensured her benefits reflected her actual circumstances, avoiding financial distress. If you ever encounter issues with your Universal Credit Entitlement Letter, remember that timely and accurate communication with the DWP is key. Gather all relevant documents and evidence related to your claim before reaching out. This preparation makes it easier for DWP staff to address your concerns quickly and reduces the likelihood of prolonged issues. Additionally, regularly reviewing your entitlement letter for any changes or errors can prevent future problems. If you're uncertain about the contents of your letter or how to proceed with corrections, consider seeking advice from local citizen advice bureaus or welfare rights organizations. They can offer guidance and support through the process. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support really helps us bring more helpful content to you and others. We greatly appreciate it.